This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Giglia. A stunning single-family home on a cul-de-sac with an extra-large lot and an extended workshop garage overlooking the lake. This home has a magnificent extended lanai with a screened-in pool with water features and outdoor shower. It also has a built-in kitchenette with a refrigerator. The kitchen is a must-see with oversized granite countertops, upgraded 42 inches cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The bay window in the kitchen has a cushioned seating area with storage underneath. See photos and listed features.Cascades. St. Lucie West was voted number 2 for the best active 55-plus communities in the country. 26,000 square feet. Clubhouse featuring a grand ballroom, media room, card rooms, billiards, library, and arts and amp, craft room. Heater pool and amp, spa, fitness center, 10 tennis courts, pickleball, and amp. For more information, review the details below.